Introduction to Multi-Monitor Remote Desktop.
Working remotely doesn't mean you have to give up the productivity of multiple monitors. Many remote desktop solutions let you use 2 or more screens, just like in your regular workspace. Here's how to enable and optimize multi-monitor support when using remote desktop software, so you can work more efficiently from anywhere.
Preparing your local and remote systems.
Before starting, ensure both your local computer and the remote system support multiple monitors. Connect all monitors to your local machine and configure them as an extended desktop, not mirrored. Check that the remote computer also has multiple displays available and is running an operating system edition that supports multi-monitor use in remote sessions.
Enabling multi-monitor support in remote desktop.
Most remote desktop applications, such as Microsoft Remote Desktop, offer settings to use multiple monitors. When connecting, look for an option labeled Use all my monitors for the remote session. Enable this before starting your session. If using a different app, check its settings or preferences for similar multi-monitor support features.
Using multiple monitors during your session.
Once connected, your remote session should span all your local monitors. You can drag windows between screens just as you would in a normal setup. Some remote desktop software allows you to switch between full span and single monitor view, offering flexibility depending on your needs. Experiment with window arrangements to find what feels most comfortable.
Troubleshooting and tips for smooth operation.
If multi-monitor support isn't working, double-check software versions and compatibility. Update your remote desktop client and remote system if needed. Ensure network speed can handle the additional data from multiple screens. Adjust display resolution settings for best performance. Refer to your remote desktop software's help resources for platform-specific guidance on multi-monitor configurations.
Wrap up. Enhanced productivity with multi-monitor remote access.
Setting up multiple monitors in a remote desktop session can significantly boost your productivity and comfort while working from afar. With a few simple steps and the right configuration, you can recreate your familiar workspace experience, making remote tasks easier and more organized, no matter where you are.